WhatsApp is going to stop working on millions of Android phones that are still running on old Android versions. The Meta-owned platform continues to cull devices from its support list, including the iPhones, as it evolves and adds new features that need modern OS and hardware. Android KitKat came out more than 10 years ago, and now the Android version is losing support for the messaging app starting from January 2025. So if you're still using an Android phone with the KitKat version, it's time to upgrade and buy a new smartphone to continue using WhatsApp. Most people would ask, why is anyone still using a phone with Android KitKat version? But the fact that WhatsApp still supports the OS means it has seen value for doing it. However, the start of 2025 changes that for good, and people need to make the upgrade as well. The list of phones losing WhatsApp support from January 1st, 2025 includes popular brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and even HTC. Remember them? For the Samsung models, the Galaxy S3, Galaxy Note 2, Galaxy Ace 3, and Galaxy S4 Mini will lose WhatsApp support. As for HTC, the HTC One X, One X Plus, Desire 500, and Desire 601. For Sony, the Sony Xperia Z, the Xperia SP, the Xperia T, and Xperia V. For LG, the Optimus G, the Nexus 4, G2 Mini, and L90. As for Motorola, the Moto G, the Razr HD, the Moto E 2014. WhatsApp supports chat and data backup via your Google Drive storage, and in case you have stuff lying around in any of these phones, time to back it up before the clock hits January 1st. WhatsApp tends to make these changes frequently, not just limited to Android. The messaging app now supports a host of features, including Meta AI that needs modern and latest hardware to run. And that means WhatsApp has to remove older models from the list that don't need their attention anymore.